put something on there.
Oh shoot. Kind of.
This is gonna get censored. Hold on.
Do you know
This
how?
isn't even a shirt. This is you're gonna get
Do you
it
need
back.
a It's okay.
Oh god.
What'd you do?
I think this side is a little too short. How does that feel? Is this short?
They're gonna walk in.
They're gonna see your nipples. Wait. You're really quick. You have a hairy back. You look like Chewbacca. I'm like cuddle. I can't close the door.
Is this even a good length on me?
No.
Also, this part's really
This part?
Are you taking this seriously? Please take this
I'm a
seriously.
little taking it seriously, but I'm like shaking. I don't know why. Like I'm shaking, like I'm anxious, like I don't know. Something's wrong. Is your head straight? Yeah. Hi. Oh shit.
What you fucking do?
It's at a slant right now. Cause I don't know if yeah, it's not straight. It doesn't look bad.
Doesn't look good.
I didn't finish.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, what the frick?
No! Listen. It's
You're
tits.
supposed to stop.
They're not even
Tell
out!
me, alright, fuck up.
That's why they go to school?
No. School doesn't get rid of anxiety, it creates anxiety.
No, it doesn't.
That's a lie, and you know it.
Don't cut so much from this side!
I wasn't cutting that side. What are you feeling? Your spinal cord must be broken.
What?
Because I was cutting on this side, and you're like, no, come on, that. That's what you sound like.
Well, your right brain controls your left your right hemisphere controls your left hemisphere.
Your right brain controls your left brain.
Yes.
Fuck. What the actual shit does that mean?
Ah! I meant to say that your right hemisphere controls the left side of your body and your left hemisphere controls the right side of your body.
Your left.
The more you know. Okay, so get the scissors.
Snip. I don't have a lot of hair too.
That was half the last
It's just
episode
gross.
of MASH and half the hostages coming home.
So, the kids.
Right? I mean, it's
Oof, I fell.
unbelievable, you know? I mean, they just took off.
Is this a new look for me? You know who I look like? I look like a princess, but a really ugly one.
Break.
I'm tired. I needed a break. I'm over.
Okay, you guys know that like really cute look where like girls have their like hair in like a bun at the top and after the rest is down? I really want to do that look, but I can't do it because my head is not shaped for it and it makes me so...
Oh, love you, please.
Rachel.
Rachel.
I'm sorry, but whose fucking head moves like that? What am I doing?
I'm so
Okay, let's continue.
the big wide world.